Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to film another tag. It's called Me and My Makeup. Miss Gina Stanley started this tag, and I'm going to answer the 10 questions that she has. First question. I'm going to also link her video below, and we'll post my video in her feed on her videos so that everybody can see what everybody posts. So, her first question is, what palette or palettes have you hit pan on? The answer is 0. So, I didn't start buying palettes until probably a year and a half ago. Before that, I only bought MAC eyeshadows and the singles, but not the ones you put in a Z palette, you know, the one that's like just one single thing you open up. And I had one color that was my most favorite, and it was called Mythology. And I hit pan on that at least 2 times because I loved it so much. I still have it now in a single in my MAC palette. So I've replaced it. I think I'm on like my 3rd or 4th one. So that would be the only thing I've hit pan on. For eyeshadows. I'm getting there though. I'm really getting there. Project Pan's really helping me. What's my favorite blush or blush brand? So my favorite blush is MAC blushes. I just like the way they look on my skin. I have Mocha is what I have now, and then my beautiful friend Beta sent me Melba, which is this peachy color here. So you can get them in mattes, shimmers, all kinds of varieties of blush. I have probably maybe 6 different shades. My Mocha and Melba are both the matte shades. So let's see. I'm sorry, I have to keep looking at my phone. What is your favorite mascara? Well, my all-time favorite mascara is Marc Jacobs. The regular, old-school Marc Jacobs mascara. I just love the way it looks, and I always have it around. Except for now when I'm looking for it to show it to you. I can't find, I'm trying to use up a little sample of it, and I can't find it. And that is a high-end mascara. But for a drugstore mascara, my favorite is the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. It's just phenomenal. And I always buy it in, I think it's like carbon black or something like that. So this is a really good drugstore mascara if you're looking for a mascara and don't want to spend the money on a Marc Jacobs. I think mascara to me is such a personal thing because it has to do with how the wand is and all these other things. So, how do I apply my foundation? With a sponge, a brush, or my fingers? All of the above. So, it depends on the consistency of the foundation. It depends on the brush, the sponge. It just varies. And when it gets to brushes, sometimes I use an Artiste brush, sometimes I just use a regular brush. Right now my favorite sponge is the Eco Tools, the green one. My favorite brush is a MAC. I know I'm going to knock that camera over one of these days. Let's see, where is it? It is a MAC 170. It's this brush. Please do not look at it. It's horribly disgusting and needs to be cleaned. So, yeah, I do all of the above. Do you like matte or glossy lips? Bullet or liquid? Well, when it comes to lippies, I am not biased to any of them. I have hundreds of lipsticks. Daily wear, I normally will put on a gloss. I'm really enjoying the Milani, the new Milani glosses. Actually, they're lipsticks. Watch me not have one near me. It's a lipstick that... don't have one. It's called like... I'm going to get it out and make all the noise I want. It's called Amore Shine. So this is a red one, and I have it in about 3 other shades. It is so comfortable on the lips. It has some staying power. It's about, I think they're about $7 or $8. Right now, that's what I'm enjoying using, because it's summertime and my lips get a little bit drier and all of the above. If I could not get any more beauty items and could only take 4, what 4 would you take? Well, of course, I would take my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. No doubt that's going. A bronzer, a highlighter, and a mascara. Because, that's tough, Gina. Bronzer, mascara, highlighter, foundation. That's tough. Bronzer, a foundation, a bronzer, a mascara, and a lippy. That's it. Those 4 things. Because I can make a look with that. I hope I can take my brushes and that doesn't count as one of my 4. Oh, I skipped one. What is my most hated beauty item ever? Benefit mascara. I just can't do it. I have not found one I like. None of them. This is their Real. It's going in the trash. I thought I threw one out last month. I just found another one in my drawer. I can't even see where I'm putting anything on. It's worthless. For me. The next question. Do you bake or not? I do bake. Not always, but if I put concealer under my eyes, I bake. And I always use a setting powder. What beauty product do you have the most items of? Palettes and lippies. Probably lippies is the most, but palettes are a close second. What beauty item could you live without? Eyeliner. I don't always use eyeliner. I'm very fortunate I don't need it. And if I could pick one eyeshadow palette that calls my name, what would it be? And I would say it's my Z palette. This is my Anastasia eyeshadows. I can take this anywhere and make a look with this, with anything. So it is my favorite. It's got some of the greens I love, some of the peaches and pinks and purples and tans and blues, and it's even got a yellow in there now because I'm in love with yellow. And yeah, so that's it. Those are my 10. I think that's 11, Gina, but who's counting, right? It's all fun when we're talking about makeup. So I will link Gina's video below, and please go check out her channel. She is super fun and she's super amazing, and I'm so glad that her and I have become friends. So check it out. Hey, Gina, I just stuck a package in the mail to you. Hopefully you have it by Monday, sweetie. Love you so much. Love you guys so much. Mwah.